Hi guys, welcome back to my YouTube channel. Today is day 2 of the makeup mayhem. Today's look is just going to be a simple bronze look. I'll be going into the Mills palette and Maybelline Lemonade Craze palette. So of course you guys know I'm going to be going in with my Maybelline Fit Me 330 Toffee normal to oily, because you know my skin, like I said in the last video, be looking like I got slathered in baby oil. In the Mills palette, I use the colors that most resemble that bronze, that were more like sparkly browns, and I think I actually had a bronze in there that I use on my eyelids. Next, of course, to do my highlighting and contouring, I'm going back in with my Ruby Kiss Cosmetics concealer, and the colors Rich Caramel and Chocolate Brown, and I'm just going to go ahead and contour like normal. So of course, to set my face, I'm going to be going in with CoverGirl Clean Professional's translucent powder in the shade. Is it really a shade? Like, yeah, I guess you can call it a shade. Yeah, but I'm going to be going in with CoverGirl Clean Professional's translucent powder in the shade medium. Next, I'm going to go in with my Maybelline Fit Me blush in the shade 50. Oh, and if you haven't already, make sure you're following me on Instagram at Miss Imani E, because I always upload on my stories, and I'm going to be uploading a lot to my Instagram as well. And 9 out of 10, you're going to know what I plan on posting on YouTube, on Instagram prior. So make sure you're following me then. Also, if you haven't already, make sure you subscribe, which is crazy because if you made it this far into the video and you haven't subscribed, what are you doing? Go subscribe right now. Afterwards, I'm going to go over that blush with my Fantasy Beauty highlighter palette, and the color that I got in there was kind of almost like the color of Penny, so that's the color I wanted to use, so that's what I used. And I went ahead and put that on my cheeks and my forehead. And then in the Lemonade Craze palette, I use Citrus, and I just use that in the inner corners of my eye and under my brow bone, and then also in the end, you guys, I used Sugar Coated just to add an extra oomph to my bronze look. For my lashes, I use Fantasy Beauty's Glam lashes, and I decided these lashes would be perfect for this look because it's not over the top and it's not the bare minimum. It's like that perfect, like, oh girl, yes honey, with the lashes. So for my lower lashes, I went in with Fantasy Beauty's 3D mascara, and I just went ahead and made my lower lashes pop a little bit more, which I'm kind of jealous because my lower lashes are actually longer than my upper lashes. Like, where they do that at? For my lips, I used Fantasy Beauty lip gloss, but I cannot remember exactly what name it was. It just had a number on it, and I think it was 15. And it was really red for me, and I didn't want that for this look, so I kind of blended it out with my finger just to get that sparkly gold that was in it. And then I went over it with my High Cosmetics lip gloss in the color 24 karat. Y'all gonna see this lip gloss everywhere. It's my favorite lip gloss. It's just like, it just makes me feel like my lip gloss is like legit, like certified. Like, come on, like verified. Let's go. So this pretty much concludes my video. I really hope you guys enjoy. Make sure you subscribe and join the family. Like, comment, let me know what you did and didn't like, and I will see you guys next time.